Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your brake fluid in this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, we're going to open the door. To open the hood, we're just going to grab this lever right here, pull that up. To lift the hood, if you look above the Ford symbol to the right a little bit, there's a lever right here. Slide that towards the passenger side, lift up on the hood, and then there's a prop rod right here. Just going to grab the prop rod. We're going to stick that right there. It's going to hold the hood up. To check the brake fluid reservoir is right here in the cap. You want to take a rag. You just want to make sure you wipe off the cap. Now, you can see through it. It is clear. And there's a max line on the side here and a min line. So to check it, you can just shake it a little bit and normally see or hold the light right up to it. If you have to add it, take the cap off, add the brake fluid. Generally on the top of the cap, it'll say what type of brake fluid. This vehicle requires .3 brake fluid. Top it off, reinstall the cap, and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.